Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to deactivate Facebook temporarily. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right and then tap on your profile. Now head over to the settings option, and once you're there, go to account center, and in here you'll find the personal details under account settings section. Head over there. Now go to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Go to your Facebook account. Now select deactivate account. It says your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from the most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger. So tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Now you have to enter your password or your Facebook password, and once you do that, make sure you tap on continue and your Facebook will be deactivated temporarily. So yeah, that's how easy it was to do that. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.